channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to get the backup from your windows.old folder when you reset your PC or remove everything on your computer or reinstall the windows. There may be chance that your data is inside the C drive and windows.old folder. So how you can backup that? Just open the windows.old folder here, then look for users, and now look for your username. Let's say I'm using administrator username. I can just double click on that username, and it may ask you to prompt yes and no options. So click on yes options, go to desktop, and here you will see the data here as I have few videos here. So what I can do is just copy the data from here like this and simply paste into my this user machine. Like this is the new user, and I'm pasting the data from that drive to this folder to my this user. Similarly, go for the other options as well on your computer. Look for other user as well, like this is, and look for the folder one by one and simply back up the data. This is very easy, and you will get data only if the windows.old folder is available here. Okay, so this is how guys you can back up the data from windows and once you reset your PC. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.